ora Winton School, I'm Breana. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our upper the 22nd of April.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu o te wiki, papa tua nuku,
which is te reo for earth.
Okay, as you can see, we have a new studio design for Anzac Day coming up.
And 6 students from room 11 have been working on Anzac Memorial display over by room 10.
Over to you, Richard!
Thanks for that. The 6 of us have created a field of remembrance for Anzac Day. And there's a few rules you guys need to know. Stay off the grass and do not touch the crosses. And no balls around.
Okay, and if you ask your teacher, you could, if you got any questions, you can record them on the wall, or as you can see over here.
Thanks for listening. Now we've got to get back to the studio.
Thanks, Alex. Great work. Such a nice way to remember so many lives tragically lost.
Remember to read today's newsletter for information about Winton ANZAC Day service on Saturday. Kia kaha.
Hi, VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
Okay, this term, Wednesday is a library day. Open from 12:40 until 1:10 for browsing, issues and returns.
And there are librarians ready to help. Kia ora.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Wait, they might be out there for a change.
No, Breana, they're down here. Let me get them. Packed with loads of information. Now we need to shove them back down.
Okay, I noticed about some of the grass areas around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Please keep as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means think carefully about where you play.
And making wise choices around the playground. Kia ora.
Okay, one late notice. Winton Warriors, you have a hockey practice on the basketball court today with Mrs. Laffey. And that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, take care, te popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud, Winton School.